What's good with it? So in this video, I'll be showing you how I make homemade applesauce. This recipe is very simple. So first you're going to get your apples. You're going to peel that skin off. You're going to cut them up. You're going to wash your apples off. Then you're going to put in some water to boil just a little bit so they could get soft. Now the reason why I do is because I noticed that when my apples wasn't soft, I didn't like the texture of the applesauce. So you're going to put them in some water to boil a little bit to get that softness. Then you're going to put your apples in a blender. Now, once you got your apples in the blender, blend it up, and you got your applesauce. You done. You don't need to add nothing to it. It's fine as it is. This is a great baby food. I give this to my kids. I gave it to them when they was babies. It's very healthy. Now, however, I'll be adding some strawberries to mine, so I'll be making strawberry applesauce. So since strawberries are already soft, you're just going to wash your strawberries off, put them in a blender, blend it up just a little bit. Now you're going to take this strawberry sauce and put it in with that applesauce. And voila, you got your strawberry applesauce. Now keep in mind that you did boil them apples, so this applesauce is going to be kind of warm, so you're just going to set it to the side for a little bit. Then put it in the refrigerator. I think it tastes a lot better cold. I hope you enjoy this. Much peace and love.